Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I have a little guest here that is actually, I don't know if you guys watched one of my other videos that I explained that I actually gave up one of my bags because of this little pretty girl. Here she is. So her name is Samgyup and they're five siblings. So their mom's name is Charcoal, which is she's a ginger cat. She's so beautiful. We rescued her underneath a barbecue stand. That's why her name is Charcoal. And then she gave birth to five beautiful little babies. Unfortunately, two of those kittens actually didn't make it for the first year, so they lasted for like around 8 months. So that was Kimchi and Soju. Soju was the pure white girl, and Kimchi is the female one that looks like one of my other ones, which is Samjang. So yeah, so this one is Samgyup, and she's actually the last one that came out of their mother. And so she's a very loving cat, as you can see here. And she's gonna help me right now with a special unboxing. So this is a special unboxing because this has been gifted to me. It's like a just because gift, and that's why I guess that's why he bought it. So I'm really thankful for my hubby for giving me this, and it's going to be exciting. So it didn't come in this box, but I am going to use this as a crutch. So see, my little sassy cat is very sassy right now. So let's continue with the story. So this is like just because he just suddenly showed up and showed me this, and I didn't know what to see because I do add to cart in his Shopee cart. So if ever like I have a list, it doesn't pile up with the cart that I have on my Shopee cart. I also add things that are for my baby girl, and then I also add things that he needs. So it passes by there. Come here. My baby's very sassy right now. Come here. Okay, so let's continue. I have it here, and I did partially unbox it already just because he wanted to see it for himself. So if my camera is moving, it's just because my little baby is really moving it right now. So Gyup Gyup, I call her Gyup Gyup because that's why her name is Samgyup, because it's like a folded name because her tail is actually folded. And I also have her sibling, her brother is actually named Gochu because supposed to be Gochujang, but since his tail was, born shorter, that's why it's Gochu. And that one is he's the second oldest, but he's such a baby. He's the one that you always hear meow, and I think you saw him in one of my other videos. So this is becoming like an introduction of my cats. But yeah, so I'm going to show it to you now. So it didn't come in the box, okay? So it's just this one's like an accessory thing. And so it is here. And yes, you can see it right now, and I was suddenly so surprised. I didn't expect to see this color because I didn't expect to have a color like this because I do have a current one that's not as similar, but it is also that a different shade of it. So let's just open it to reveal. Okay. So this is probably what you guys would expect. It's a pink Sakura Birkin 25. And I think this is Clement's leather, but this one has like the pebbled, like more flat pebbles. So I think this is Clement's leather as well. Because I don't know if it's as slouchy as Togo, because Togo or Clemens, I'm not sure if which one is lighter and which one is heavier. So I'll just look into it. But here it is. So I didn't remove anything else except the basic foam that's covering this and protecting this. This came in a big box, and I was so ecstatic to see it. And yeah, so let's continue with opening it. So it came with the stickers and everything, came with the cover of the lock, and we'll see if it comes with a clochette. So this one, since it's a very light color, I guess that's the reason why the cover or the felt is white. Oh, and has 4 feet as well. And this is also Palladium hardware. Now, bought um I bought bags also in this shop before, so I guess that's why he chose there. Or plus the sale that happens once or twice in that shop. So we're going to remove everything because I'm going to use it today. Kind of excited. So I can't believe that I have this shade. Let's show it there a bit more. So let's open everything. Okay, it's such a very pink bag. I mean, if you can see, everything about it is very pink, which I wouldn't have it any other way. The only thing is, the concern to this, it's a super, super pink, and it's going to be a, you know, attachment to dirt. So I have to be careful of that. So it has the zipper clock here. It's super soft. Like, I can't believe it's such a nice soft fabric. So inside, it has a front pocket here, and then there's a zipper pocket at the back. It's a very different construction, but maybe that's why it was on sale, because it's a different construction from the other bags that I've experienced, but it's okay. So I have the straps right here, and then I also have the lock and pochette right here. It has like actually a little ribbon. I guess you could tie it. So we're going to remove everything. So it came with everything, and as you can see, it's such a beautiful color. And we're going to remove also the stickers right here and the lock protector here. What do you call this? The lock, I guess. So as you can see, just same as a typical Birkin 25, the sangles are not that flimsy, just because even on this size of a bag, it's not going to be sagging too much. So I guess that's like one of the benefits of a Birkin 25. Plus, like as the other Birkin 25s, it's just until here. So we're really going to just put this as a handhold or a little crook on my arm, just like here maybe at my wrist. But other than that, it's very comfortable, and I'm also happy because it also has the attachment of the long strap, which is the reason why I really, really like Birkin inspired design bags, because I prefer long straps. And despite me loving Kelly, sometimes I want something that's a bit more relaxed, a bit more chill and casual, and that's what Birkins are. And I really think that this is such a beautiful pink and in silver hardware. I do have a pink that is in gold hardware. That's why I mentioned that I do have a bag that's similar. And although I like it and it's very, very pretty, I think this is such an obsessive color. It's so beautiful. Hopefully, I'll get to find a twilly for this, and I will review and show maybe in that video if I already find another twilly. That'll be perfect for this bag because it's a lighter color. You have to really be careful. Now, I've noticed other Rose Sakura colored bags, like the real ones, and I've noticed that they have like the darker, um, I don't know what you call here, the banding, the end bands of the bag. So I guess that is like a big difference to it. Plus, I think the form of it is way different from the typical Birkin bags. I will compare it to my other ones in the future and in a different video. But aside from that, this is such a beautiful color. I have a beautiful pink Sakura right now. I don't think I would get a Kelly one just because I think I'm very happy already with a Birkin style. I've tried the Kelly already in PU leather, and I do love it and enjoy it. But I think with many colors, I think I would lean to a different thing. Plus, this is more casual, so I could really bring it everywhere with me. It's such an easy thing to wear, but never say never. But I do have a limit, or I do have specific wish list that I do change and delete also in my cart, and of course in my hobbies cart that I like have priorities. So usually what I put in my hobbies cart is the priorities on, I'll check there if I want to order or if there's something good on sale, or if it's not, and then I could just recommend it. Most of the people that are asking me now if I want to get a gift, what do I want, I would really suggest a bag, and I usually send them like colors or options of what I really want to try, or what specific shop also and color that I really want to try within the budget that they're going to tell me. Or aside from that, they just give me the money for the budget, and then I'll just buy it as a gift for myself if I find one that's in a good price. So that's me on a, I guess, molecular level right now when it comes to bags. I'm really, really happy about it. I'm happy with this. Thank you, hubby. Because of you, I got this beautiful, beautiful princess right here. This one probably is one of the prettiest pinks that I've ever seen. But other than that, yes, thank you for this. And I hope you guys like this video. If you do, I will also link down below where my hubby got this. Hopefully, it's still available in this size and in this color and in silver hardware, but I'll try to link also one that's in gold hardware if you would like. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.